Ever notice this? You sneeze, and suddenly your brain feels like it resets? For a split second before a sneeze, your body builds up intense nerve activity. Your eyes close, your muscles tense. Your brain is fully focused on one thing. Then, achoo! Everything releases at once. That sudden burst activates your nervous system and briefly interrupts your normal brain signals. Blood pressure, breathing, and nerve activity all shift rapidly, so your brain feels cleared or refreshed for a moment. It's not actually a reset, it's your nervous system snapping back to normal after overload. So that fresh brain feeling after a sneeze is just your body rebooting in real time. Follow for more mind-blowing facts.